Hello guys, welcome to another episode of weight loss series, and today I have an exciting topic for all the busy Nigerians who are looking to lose weight without compromising the hectic schedules. In this video, I will be sharing some valuable meal prep tips to help you stay on track with your weight loss journey. So let's dive right in. Meal prepping is a fantastic way to save time, stay organized, and make healthier choices throughout the week. So let's get started with the meal prep tips for busy Nigerians who want to lose weight. And the first tip is to plan your meals in advance. Take a few minutes each week to sit down and create a meal plan for the upcoming days. Choose meals that are balanced, nutritious, and aligned with your weight loss goals. This will not only save you time but also help you avoid impulsive food choices. And the second tip to consider is to choose simple and time-saving recipes. So guys, when you are short on time, it is important to choose simple and time-saving recipes. Look for meals that require minimal preparation and cooking time. Warm pot meals, stir fries, and sheet pan recipes are great options. They can not only save time but also minimize the number of dishes you will have to clean up. And a third tip to consider is to batch cook your meals. So to make your meal prep even more efficient, consider batch cooking. Prepare larger quantities of your chosen recipes and portion them out into individual containers. This way you will have ready to eat meals for several days, saving you valuable time during the week. And besides, if you are getting some valuable stuff in this video, don't forget to give this video a like. Comment by asking any question related to this topic in the comment section below, and then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that each time I drop new videos giving you valuable stuff like this one, you'll be the first person to watch, learn, and implement what I teach there in the video. Additionally, I want to introduce an amazing plan called the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This provides a comprehensive guide to the ketogenic diet, which includes over 100 easy to follow keto recipes. These recipes can be prepared in under 30 minutes. Also, this amazing plan supports weight loss and other health benefits. It also comes with bonus resources like a grocery shopping list and meal planning guide. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is great for busy individuals who want to save time and effort while staying on track with a keto diet. However, if you are interested to learn more about the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, you can check out the link in the description below. So with that said, let's get back into the video. So the fourth tip to consider is to utilize your freezer. So guys, don't forget the power of your freezer. It can be a lifesaver for busy individuals. Whenever you have some free time, make extra service of your favorite meals and freeze them in individual portions. This allows you to build a stockpile of healthy meals that you can simply reheat when you are pressed for time. So another time-saving tip is to pre-cut and prep your ingredients ahead of time. When you bring home your groceries, take a few minutes to wash, chop, and portion out your fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients. This way, when you are ready to cook, everything will be readily available, making your meal preparation quick and effortless. And there you have it guys, my top meal prep tips for busy Nigerians who want to lose weight. So remember to plan your meals in advance, choose simple recipes, batch cook, utilize your freezer, and pre-cut your ingredients. These strategies will not only save you time but also keep you on track with your weight loss goals. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and advice on weight loss. Until next time, stay healthy and stay motivated.